It's really cold. That summer breeze. I'm at our spec home project shooting our McGee Co summer catalog. This is a home that we started designing a few years ago, and this is a spec home project, which means that we've designed it to put on the market really soon. We've done a few episodes that follow the progress of the design and build of this home, and today I'll be taking you behind the scenes of our summer catalog shoot, but it's not so obvious because there is a lot of snow. So we needed to think warm thoughts through the styling to make all the beautiful new products and pieces that we have designed and created feel a little bit more summery. And I am so happy standing in this space because it feels good. We're close.
So close. These guys are wrapping up.
Okay, then it's time for us to move all the furniture.
So you're moving furniture on Monday.
Yep.
And then I think you're gonna start shooting on Tuesday. I'm not worried about that at all.
I don't know if you are confident, but I love that, like what you're projecting
So
right
confident.
now. It looks really good. It's like a
Our
really
team did an awesome
pretty
job.
mountain home.
And I know if it looks good at this point, then
Yeah, when you get your stuff in
it's
here.
going to be amazing once we get the stuff in, because that's like the thing that just brings it all to life, you know? Tell me what you think, but I feel like we should move everything forward. Not necessarily the rug, but like it feels like this feels really tight. And so it feels so crowded. I mean, because realistically what I would have told a client is don't put a console back there. But it's like, we want to show it.
Want a console?
The messaging isn't around that console at all.
If we move this out, how do you feel about it? Can I have you guys take this out of the visual? Let's take a look at it. I mean, personally, I like it better without the console. It makes it feel much better to me, and then we can move this back to kind of where we wanted it. That feels good to me. Is the vintage stool for by the tub?
Yeah.
So should we put the exclusive right here so you get that view? I think that that would be nice, because now it feels like we need a layer. Do we want a splay or do we want them straight? Splay might be nice.
Yeah.
Just spin that puppy, and then we'll just put this base onto the jute until it falls on me. Okay, splay chair, so feel good about. I feel like maybe I want to remove a pillow from this so you can see the stripes more. Is the hope that this goes here? The yellow?
The yellow rug is going here, and I haven't seen it. Like I just
And so
want
it's
to
like we
see
want to see how the yellows look. Okay, it's kind of fun.
This one.
I don't hate this together.
That's cute, Kaylee.
I like the yellow. Do you feel good about it? People will still say, why do you never use color? Cool. What about just snow? What are we talking about? What's the plan? What's the plan there? I feel like we're gonna have to pick a few moments where we can really make a summary. So this one's like really pretty. So maybe we do this in the primary bedroom? Yeah. We gotta do something with it because it's really cute. And then, which one am I starting with?
It's a marigold in here. Do you need us to steam?
Here, let's steam this first. All right, ready. Slower.
Yeah.
Too slow?
No.
When one foot's behind me up and one leg is down, then it kicks the dress in like a prettier way. Yeah, like this.
I love that.
When dreaming up this latest collection, I had this marigold color that I could not get out of my head. I'm wearing it today. I love that it is a color that can pair with neutrals and other colors really easily, but it's also a great way to bring in some depth to your space. What do you want me to do? It's really cold. Well, I'm gonna go over there last minute. You? Okay. We got summer breeze.
Hi. Oh, hey guys. Oh my gosh.
Let me get this.
Oh, cool. That works. You should put a sign that says, please use garage. How's it going?
Hey.
Where's she?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Happy V-Day.
Thanks, Dave.
Did I get you?
You did get me.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
These are for you too.
Thank you. I feel like a pageant queen.
This is like a normal Tuesday for you, you know?
Thanks, babe. Oh, and donuts.
Yeah, for everyone else.
Okay.
You look good, babe. Really good.
What's all these eyes and U's and weird?
Wait, there's a secret message.
These donut shapes so weird.
I gotta decode this. You figured it out.
Are you not in photos today?
I don't know.
Was he supposed to be?
Yes.
Do I not look photo ready?
You're in a sweatshirt.
You should have brought options.
Probably I should have reviewed the options.
Yeah, it's you usually do.
Tawny's okay with me just being on the cover by myself.
That's really cool.
It's going well.
Behind the scenes.
Valentine's Day, babe.
Photograph's better than I thought.
The photograph's fine. I think we probably Photoshop out the logo,
Totally can do that.
but then it would look just like a nice sweater.
Watch this make the cover.
I'm hip. I'm cool.
Yeah, let's take a look at these and see what you think.
I actually like this.
I love that one.
I like that. Yeah. Sid, you look like a really cool designer artist.
Yes.
Oh, you look like Jerry Seinfeld.
Well, I love Jerry Seinfeld, so that's like the best compliment you could give to
Thanks. I'll put it in my profile.
What is this for?
Sid content.
Oh, yeah, it's great. Okay.
Let's have you scoot towards the window a little bit,
Yeah.
and then forward. Right about there. Chin down just a little bit. Yep. That's great. Let's lock it. Yeah, I think we're good.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Okay, love you.
One more on the sequel.
Bye, guys.
The term moody is a big buzzword in design right now. You're hearing it all the time, and the reality is we don't have to paint the walls dark to create a moody aesthetic in our homes. You can bring in furniture pieces and accessories that have depth of color, and we've incorporated that in a lot of our selections, from the rug to this little accent table over here with like the darker stain. We have this velvet Clemens chair, and it has this really beautiful, like rich tone. Even these taper candle holders incorporate a darker marble. It's just accents like that that can bring richness into a home. We really wanted pattern on pattern on pattern in this living room look. You see that in our rug. We have a foundation in the room that has pattern. I'm really excited about this sofa. It's a new shape for us, and it has this really cool kind of phalange detail. And then the stripes carry all the way through. I love that you're getting a pattern, but it's also neutral enough that you can add other patterns on top of it really easily. We have styled our Innis sofa over here. I think that this curved corner here makes it really pretty from all views. And then the textiles, we've got floral, we've got stripes, we've got a geometric, we have a plaid. So I say in every combination, you're looking for like a solid texture, you're looking for a stripe, you're looking for a floral. It doesn't have to be a floral, but just something that has like organic, like imperfect lines to it. All of these work together really harmoniously because we are working with a color palette. All those colors kind of relate back to our jumping off point, which is this marigold color. We are going to be sharing webisodes really soon that walk you through every one of the spaces, room by room, with a deep dive on really the thought process behind the designs.